Hello guys, GS this side, and today is day 39. Like I have started this journey 39 80 38 days ago, and today is my 39 days, and I feel very happy like I at least complete almost 40 days on a very consistent basis. So I have the record. So I took only two break. Like I took on like in a 40 days I took only two break, which is very intentionally I took. Otherwise, like I can learn that day also, but yeah, intentionally I took for a 2 day break in 40 days, so it is good. So well done, GS. So you can uh, you can not promote, नहीं बोलेंगे, क्या बोलेंगे उसको, proud, you can proud yourself also sometime. At least you achieve something. Hope you, when you scroll the social media, so sometimes we get some motivation videos, so it's say ki when you do something good, so please applause yourself, proud yourself. So it's good. Like I'm just about to complete 40 days this journey, and let's talk about today. You can see like I have some energy in my voice today because time is almost 11 p.m. I'm making this video. I do like I have a very busy day today, but still I have energy because like I had two very good call on real life English app. There's a guy like who had 8 minute, like we have 8 minute conversation. That conversation was very awesome. Like we discuss topic. Let's say in my desk, like we have this binocular, Caesar. So I gave him topic and he gave me topic. So like we have very good communication. So just brush up my English. So I'm very excited. Yeah, so I do my all the practice in early morning. I have done reading practice. So here is the like I show the video now. I do my daily practice, like daily reading practice. So this is today I have time to record. So just I record for a glimpse. I record glimpse for you to show like how I do practice on a regular basis. So it is say whole complexity need to act under a thick cloak of scary secrecy, become the source of made legend. His friend used to joke that once he hailed a taxi, where to the driver asked, so he'll answer, it's a state secret. During the Independence War, Sohail Salahu headed the external political information services. It was one of the several quiz-implemented intelligence group created before the birth of Israel, but on December 13, 1949, Ben Gurion issued an order to establish an institute in Hebrew, Mossad, to coordinate state intelligence agency to be headed by. Okay, you watched the practice. So morning, I know morning was very slow, and I have done writing practice. Like I have do writing. So this is the day 16 of my challenge that already completed now. So yeah, maybe it's a small video, but yeah, it's very energetic video. So today is fantastic. Hope you like the videos. If you like the videos, please do like, subscribe this channel, and suggest your friend to like my channel because I am sharing my journey. If you see the improvement in my communication, that's good. So I'm just uploading videos, record myself every day because there are people on YouTube who can teach you like how to speak English, but no one give you the real scenario, real challenges कि क्या क्या जो हम लोग फेस करते हैं रोज बात करने में. So that's channel I show, that's challenges I try to show you, and I try to show you like how we can overcome that channel challenges also. चैलेंज बोल रहा हूँ challenges को. So yeah, I do mistake. I know that. All right, guys, that's it for today. Please comment करो, like करो, subscribe करो, कुछ सजेशन हो सजेशन दो. Bye bye for now. Bye.